Hello everyone. We are going to see the SOP1 from database. Okay, it's database concept using LibreOffice base. Okay, when we are dealing with the LibreOffice, we are going to download this package, or you can simply download LibreOffice base. It is freely available software. Okay, on the net you can download it. For this, you require a JRE, that is your Java Runtime Environment. Okay, you can also download from the net. Okay, so we are going to start with the SOP1. First, we will read the question. So here, create a table student with the field name, roll number, student name, class, division, city, date of birth, etc. Then insert minimum 8 record. In this table, we are going to create or insert minimum 8 record. Now next, create a form based on employee table. So we are going to create one employee table, and on that table base we are going to create a form, right? So this is a practical one. So how to start with the LibreOffice? Go to the start with LibreOffice, type something in the search, LibreOffice base, or you can open whole package, but I'm going to open the LibreOffice base. So I'm using the version 7.2. Okay, so here it will give one dialog box. Okay, so from that you are going to select create a new database, because till now we have not created any database. So this is our first practical, so we are going to start with the new database. So click on the next. Okay, then here you want to register a database. Okay, read this. Do you want to the wizard to register a database in LibreOffice? If you want to register your database in LibreOffice, then you can click on yes, or if you don't want, then click on no. Okay, then click on a finish. Okay, click on finish. This option will keep as a tick mark. Open the database for editing, means when you finish it will automatically open your database window. So click on finish, then it will ask you to save, where to save. Okay, now here write down the name of your database. Its name is not given, so I'm going to give SOP1. Okay, okay, and its type is ODF, so it's your open database format. So click on save. Okay, in my document it is default save, right? So this is our database window, LibreOffice base. Okay, so SOP1. So in that SOP1 you are going to create a table. What is our first question? It's create table student. Create a table student with field name, roll number, student name, class, division, city, date of birth, right? So this is our question. So we are going to create a table, right? By using here, there is an option create table in design view. Second option, using wizard to create table or create view, right? So we are going to use a design view, right? So it's we are going to select the option design view, then you will get a design view of table. So your first field is roll number, right? Your first field is what? Roll number. So write down that roll number. Okay, While typing the field name, type in the lowercase only, because when we are dealing with the query, so it will not give the error. And here you can use a separator only underscore, that is roll underscore number. No other separator is using. If you give, it will give some error, right? So here your roll number data type is, we are going to take as a number, right? So here are many data types. From that you can select which type of data you want to enter. Here roll number we are going to type as a numeric, so roll number is a data type, right? After that, student name, second is what? Student name, class, division, city and date of birth, right? So after roll number, student, right, it's student name, so stud name, right? This way I'm going to type data type is text, right? Then next field is class, so class data type is also text. Then after class, division data type is also text. Then city data type is text. Then DOB, that is date of birth, data type is date, right? So this data type we are going to see. First, for roll number, number, student name text, class text, division के लिए text, for city text, then date of birth, date. So these are your data type. Now here select this field and give a primary key. So right click on it and click on a primary key, right? So give roll number as a primary key and save with the name student, okay, in the lowercase only. So click on save, right? So your table will be saved. Now enter minimum 8 record. How many records you want to enter? 8 record. So enter that record. So enter that record. This is your table is created. Now double click on it, so you are able to insert the record. So roll number as 1, then student name, give some name, that is okay, then is 12th, division is X, then city, where our date of birth is 2 5 1999. Okay, this way we are going to enter a record 2, then again the name, okay, that is 11th, division is Y, okay, see, then date of birth is okay. This way we are going to add a record. Click on save, okay, then close it. Okay, this way we are going to add a minimum 8 record and save it. Now next question is what? You are going to create a form based on employee table. So for this we require employee table. So create a new table. So create a table, that is field name is EMP number, so it's number, data type EMP name matlab employee naam, the data type is varchar, okay, text, then city, okay, that is varchar, then save, give the primary key, right click on that field and primary key, save it with the name employee, right? Click on OK, so it will be saved. Now close this and add the minimum records into that particular employee table, that is number 1, or 123 employee number, then name is okay, then city Mumbai, right? So like this wise you can add the different record. Okay, so I have added two record, then I have going to save it. Now I am going to close this table. So I have added two record, number 1 and number 2, in the employee table. Now for this table I am going to create a form. So click on a form. Okay, then I'm going to, here you have two options, create form and design view. Second, using wizard. So I'm going to select a wizard. So it will give you step by step how to create a form. So here it's in this table, employee table, we are creating a form on employee table, so it's already selected, right? So which field you want to select, you can select, and you can field on the form, that field are display on the form. If you want all the fields, you can select all the fields. Okay, then click on next. Okay, then if you want to add a sub form, then you can add, otherwise click on the next. Okay, here arrangement, this way I want the arrangement of my form. So click on the next. Then here select the second option, because when you select the first option, the form is to be used for entering new data only. Existing data will not be displayed. If you select this, your previous data will not get display on that form. I want to display all the data, so I am going to select the second option. Don't tick mark on that particular checkbox, only select the second option, click on the next. Okay, then here you want to apply some form or theme, you want to change the look, you can look the change. Okay, then click on next. Okay, here, then finish it, working with the form, and then finish. So this your form is displayed with the first record. I have entered 123 Prasad, then move, right? This is your next record, this is second record. If you want to add new record, it's a button to add a new record, right? So click on it, so you are able to add the new record. Okay, so I'm added some record. Okay, so this is my form. When I click I want to add new record, if I want to save the record. This way I can see the record from first to last. Okay, first record, last record. Then if I want to new record, if I want to delete, I can delete the record. This is my save button. So this way I can create a form. Okay, and this entries are added in the table, just check it. I'm closing the form, right? Now I'm going to open the table employee, sorry, I'm going in the menu table. Okay, when I'm in the table, see the table employee. Previously I have added only two entry, that is Prasad and Amol. Now with the form I have added one another entry. So this way we can create a form, we can add the entry, we can see the entry, we can save the entries by using form. So this is our practical. If you have query, you can comment me.